guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're keeping safe. I hope you're taking the right precautions for yourself. Corona is very, very real and better safe than sorry, right? So today I have an interesting video for you guys. I thought I'd do a Jumia haul because Jumia have been running this what is it called, sale. Yes, they've been doing a sale and they had actually reduced the prices so much, like even up to 70%. So you know me and free things and deals and sales, I will like this. Like this, because if I go to a supermarket, for example, and I see something that is being sold and they have attached an extra thing to it, something just draws me in. When Jumia was doing it, I was like, take my money, yes. So I'm going to be showing you the stuff that I got. The first thing I got was this, and this is the this is a Sasha Buttercup setting powder. Now this setting powder is very expensive. It's not okay. They say, you know, I had Joanna saying that it's not expensive, it's just not for you. Like you just know the target audience. So yeah, thank you Jumia for hooking me up with this. Now the price for this, it goes for like 3,000 shillings on the beauty supply shops that I've seen. And guess how many coins I spent on this, you guys? You won't even believe it. I spent 336 bob. Yes, 336. And that, oh, that 36. Okay, my tongue is actually a bit heavy, if you guys have noticed how I speak. I'll say that some stuff on Jumia are not original, especially makeup. That is true, but lucky for me, I scanned the QR, the barcode. I scanned it, and yeah, it showed me Sasha Cosmetics Limited. So we safe, guys, we safe. So this is very original. Other stuff that I've opened is this. This is a Maybelline. I'm holding it in a weird way. This is a Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So I scanned this and it actually brought me the products online. So we've not been scammed. Yeah, and also like the person that was selling it was from the original shop. So be safe. The concealer goes for 599 on Jumia. That's how they were selling it for. And normally I think it goes for like 1,000 plus. So that is like you're saving 400 shillings. Yo, like deal. Next item is the Micellar Water. Now as you can see, this is 400 ml and the price was 419 shillings. What? The Micellar Water was 419 shillings. Oh, that is such a good deal. You know why? Because like every time I go to buy it, I go and find that it's like 700 to 800 shillings. And I'm like, I think I'm going to stick with coconut oil. Thank you very much, Micellar Water people. Oh, Ghana, Jesus Christ. Got the Micellar Water people. Oh, wait, guy. Anywho, so I'm like 800 shillings for Micellar Water, which I can use coconut oil to remove my makeup. Like they do the same thing. So I was like, no. Then Jumia decides they're gonna hook me up with this for 419 baht. Jumia, kisses. Other item I got was this, and this is it's 5-in-1 beauty care massager. It's like a face brush for 399 shillings. I'm not even mad. I am not mad. I was like, sign me up. Give me that deal. Give me that brush. Oh, I don't care. Oh. Give it to me. The other stuff, I have not opened them, so we're going to open them together. The first one is this. Very heavy, fragile. You'd think this is like an electronic stuff, but it's really not. It's not, honey. So this is Kent's coconut oil. Yeah, and Jumia was selling it for 788. I know in supermarkets they sell it for like 800 to 900 shillings. It's so big. Oh, awesome.
she said.
I'm so happy I get a jar, and also I get all this coconut oil to myself. So the other thing is the Mozzarella hydrating butter. Now this was 375 shillings, and normally it goes for like 500. So good deal, good deal. And I've had so many good reviews about this product. It smells so good. Wow, smells so good. I've had so many good reviews about it, so I cannot wait. Can't wait to try it. The other thing is the Elega Pro Concealer. Now usually I buy the Elega Pro Concealer for 500 shillings, 450 to 500 shillings. I love the shade. Oh my god, I have been longing to get a concealer that I can contour with, and this actually looks dark enough. Yo, this is such a deal. Yeah, so this was being sold for 207 shillings. 207 shillings vis-a-vis 500. You see, like, I'm saving like almost 300 bob. Oh, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Yes, 300 bob saved just like that. I'm going to cut off here real quick, scan it just to see if it's like original or not, because yeah, I have to check. I am back after scanning, and thank god they actually match, like they are legit. Item that I got was, yeah, this is like something I really wanted, and the last time I checked, I think last month, I checked on Jumia and it ran out of stock, but finally I got my hands on it. Oh my god. So these are the cosmetic sponge wedges. Miniso, yeah. It's from Miniso, baby. So I've wanted these sponges for the longest time. Here they are. And the last time I checked in the Miniso that's in Sarit Center, I didn't find them. They were still out of stock. So this is like a hot cake for them, you guys. Wow. This, and they look so good. Oh my god. So these are 20 pieces. 20 pieces of sponge wedges for 309 bob. Yes, 309 shillings. You know, so I'm sure in Miniso it can't be less than 350. So this is such a deal, you guys. Such a deal, and they're going to be so helpful in my makeup application. No more beauty blenders, guys. No more beauty blenders. Oh, we have sponges. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Yeah, it's just the one that I use. So usually I buy this for like 1500 shillings. When they're on offer, they go for like 1050. But Jumia, this video is not sponsored, by the way, but Jumia, if you want to sponsor me, come on, I'm doing a good job here. 659 shillings. That's like over 500 shillings you're saving. Can you imagine? It's fake! Oh my god! It's so fake. It seems fake. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna cry. And it was being sold by the original shop. How? Okay, the reason why I'm saying it's fake, it's because the packaging is so freaking different. What? It looks so different. Oh my god, it looks so glossy. You remember the one that I reviewed? Please guys, go and watch the one that I reviewed, because the packaging was exactly like this. Like, it was so glossy. Oh my god, is it fake? Look at the difference, you guys. What? If this is like legit, I honestly do not like this glossiness. I don't like it. It's better be matte. Matte looks classy. This looks very China. Come on.
A few moments later.
I've scanned both of them and they've showed me the same source, but they've not shown me like the official Maybelline store. They've showed me like Amazon, eBay, all those sites. So I'm like, maybe it's legit, because all of them have showed me like the same online store. So maybe they're like the distributors, yeah. But at least it showed something, you know, and it has a barcode. Like the fake ones don't even have that. So I think I'll relax. So here are the shades. They're the same. I was just getting flabbergasted for no reason. Guy, pisi unapenda pesa yako. We, aki nilikuwa nimeshtuka re. That is it. Those are the items that I got. Very, very good deals, you guys. Yeah, so that is it for today's video. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, come on. Subscribe. So until next time, choose kindness and please, 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 please remember to be safe. Bye.